Color your way to a larger looking room.
Welcome everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore how we can use colors to make a small room look bigger and brighter. Whether you're redesigning your room or just looking to change things up, the colors you choose can significantly impact your space's perception. Now let's dive into the magic of color theory.
Why does color matter?
Colors play a major role in influencing our perception of space. The right color can transform a small, cramped room into a spacious oasis. They influence not only the aesthetics but also the mood and feel of the space. Therefore, understanding and using the power of colors can be your secret tool in interior design.
Which colors make a room look bigger?
The key principle to remember here is that light colors make a room feel larger. They reflect more light than darker tones, giving a spacious, airy feel. Here are a few options. White. This is a classic choice for enlarging a room. It's clean, neutral, and enhances the lighting in a room. Soft tones. Think pastels, such as light blues, pinks, yellows, and greens. These colors give off a serene, calming effect. Cool colors. Cool tones, like blues and greens, recede from the viewer, which can make the walls seem further away, thus making a room appear larger.
What about accent colors?
While we've talked about base colors, accent colors also play a significant role in shaping a room. Consider using darker or bolder colors for accent walls, furniture, and decor. This approach provides a pleasing contrast and creates depth, making the room appear larger.
Any other tricks?
Absolutely. Other than wall color, consider the color of your furniture and decor. Opt for furniture that matches or is lighter than your wall color. It makes the items blend with the room, reducing visual interruptions and expanding the perceived space. Additionally, mirrors are a great trick. They reflect light and create an illusion of depth. Placing a mirror opposite a window can further enhance this effect. In conclusion, it's clear that the power of color is transformative. With a thoughtful selection of light, cool, and pastel colors, your small room can indeed look bigger and brighter. Throw in some clever use of accent colors and mirrors, and you'll have a beautifully spacious room in no time. We hope you found this video helpful. Happy coloring! Remember, at the end of the day, your room should reflect you. So, pick the colors that not only make your room appear larger but also make you feel comfortable and happy.